How to Improve English in 1 Month. Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to talking about a very special story. This story is about learning English. Many people want to improve their English. Many people want to speak better, write better, and understand better. But they feel afraid. They feel shy. They think it is too hard. This story will show you how one boy tried to improve his English in just 1 month. His name is Nimal. Let us begin. Chapter 1: The Dream. Nimal was a young boy from a small town. He had a big dream. He wanted to speak English fluently. He wanted to talk with people from other countries. He wanted to read books, watch movies, and write stories in English. But his English was weak. He felt shy when he tried to speak. Sometimes people laughed at his mistakes. Sometimes he laughed at himself too. But deep inside he had a strong wish. I will improve my English in 1 month. One evening, Nimal sat under a tree. He thought about his life. He asked himself, can I really improve in 1 month? Is it possible? His heart said yes. His mind said maybe. He decided to try. He decided to make a plan. He decided to start a journey. Chapter 2: The First Step. The next morning, Nimal woke up early. He took a notebook and a pen. He wrote on the first page, "My English journey, 30 days." He smiled. He felt strong. He wanted to fill the notebook with new words, new sentences, and new dreams. Day 1 was hard. He tried to read a small English story. He understood only half of it. He felt sad, but he remembered his goal. He said, I will not stop. I will read again. He read the story 3 times. Slowly, the words became clear. Slowly, the sentences made sense. He wrote down 10 new words. He repeated them again and again. He whispered them like a song. He felt happy. Chapter 3: Listening Practice. On day 2, Nimal decided to listen. He found a small English podcast. He did not understand everything, but he listened carefully. He heard the sounds. He heard the rhythm. He repeated some sentences. He laughed at his own voice. He felt shy, but he did not stop. He listened again. He listened every morning. He listened every night. Slowly, his ears became strong. Slowly, his mind became clear. Chapter 4: Speaking Practice. On day 3, Nimal wanted to speak. He stood in front of a mirror. He said, "Hello, my name is Nimal. I want to speak English." He smiled. He said it again. He said it 10 times. He said it 20 times. He felt brave. He tried new sentences. He made mistakes. He laughed. But he did not stop. He spoke every day. He spoke to himself. He spoke to his friends. He spoke to his teacher. He spoke to strangers. Slowly, his mouth became strong. Slowly, his words became clear. Chapter 5: Writing Practice. On day 4, Nimal wanted to write. He opened his notebook. He wrote, I love English. I want to learn more. He wrote 10 sentences. He wrote 20 sentences. He wrote about his family. He wrote about his school. He wrote about his dreams. His handwriting was simple. His grammar was not perfect, but his heart was strong. He wrote every day. He wrote every night. Slowly, his hand became fast. Slowly, his sentences became long. Chapter 6. Watching Movies. On day 5, Nimal wanted to watch. He found a small English movie. He watched with subtitles. He listened carefully. He repeated some lines. He laughed at the funny parts. He cried at the sad parts. He felt happy. He felt strong. He watched every day. He watched cartoons. He watched short films. He watched news. Slowly, his eyes became sharp. Slowly, his mind became full. Chapter 7. Facing Challenges. Day 10 was hard. Nimal felt tired. He wanted to stop. He thought, maybe I cannot do this. Maybe English is too hard. He closed his notebook. He sat on his bed. He felt weak. But then he remembered his dream. He remembered his goal. He said, "No, I will not stop. I will continue." He opened his notebook again. He wrote, "I am strong. I will learn." He smiled. He felt brave. He continued his journey. Chapter 8. Small Victories. Day 15 was special. Nimal spoke to a tourist in English. The tourist smiled. The tourist understood. Nimal felt happy. He felt proud. He said to himself, "I can do this. I am learning." He told his friends. They laughed. They said, "Wow, you are improving." Nimal smiled. He felt strong. He continued his journey. Chapter 9. The Final Week. Day 23 to day 30 were powerful. Nimal read every day. He listened every day. He spoke every day. He wrote every day. He watched every day. He did not stop. He did not give up. He felt strong. He felt brave. He felt happy. His English became better. His words became clear. His sentences became long. His heart became full. Chapter 10. The Success. Day 30 arrived. Nimal stood in front of his mirror. He said, "Hello, my name is Nimal. I can speak English." He smiled. He spoke 10 sentences. He spoke 20 sentences. He felt proud. He felt strong. He felt happy. He had improved. He had learned. He had succeeded. He said, "I did it. I improved my English in 1 month." Conclusion. This is the story of Nimal. He was a simple boy. He had a big dream. He worked hard. He read, listened, spoke, wrote, and watched. He faced challenges. He felt weak. But he did not stop. He continued. He succeeded. His story shows us that anyone can improve English in 1 month if they try. His story shows us that dreams can come true. His story shows us that hard work brings success. So, my friends, remember this. If you want to improve your English, you must read, listen, speak, write, and watch. You must not stop. You must not give up. You must continue. You must believe. You will succeed. Thank you for listening to this story.